Brought to you by Seafood Nutrition Partnership, Oklahoma City.
Welcome back, everyone. You know, one way of getting healthy with great taste is eating more seafood. Here with us today, Stephanie DeBerry with the ONIE Project. And first, everyone wants to know, what is the ONIE Project?
So we are the Oklahoma Nutrition Information and Education Project, and so we are a SNAP nutrition education project, and we aim to help Oklahomans spend their food dollar and stretch their food dollars in a healthy way. We focus on fruits and vegetables, low-fat dairy, whole grains, and lean protein, which is why we're here today, focusing on seafood.
Yeah, lean protein, all the seafood choices.
I love seafood.
You do?
And
So
looking at
tasty.
this, I'm just like, oh my goodness.
I can even smell it right now.
Oh.
Well, this is exciting, and of course, getting people to eat more seafood in Oklahoma, I think there's always been a little bit of a stigma, and I know that we're trying to change that.
Absolutely. So there's three barriers that we commonly hear when it comes to seafood. It's taste, it's price, and sometimes it's safety concerns as well. And we're here to tell you, as far as price comes, all of our recipes are very, very affordable. They're tasty. All of ONIE's recipes come with a stamp of approval from us and from Oklahomans, because we make sure that they're all under 30 minutes, a few common ingredients, and they're actually developed by us, and then chosen by Oklahoma families.
So you have some of these here today.
We do. So I'd love to share a little bit about them with you. So we first have our apple tuna sandwiches, and what I love about this recipe is it's healthy, it's fresh, and I know that I always enjoyed as a child the crunch of the pickles, but that's not quite so good sodium-wise, so we have apples and celery to provide that crunch. Nice and tasty, very easy, about 15 minutes to make.
Sounds refreshing
Oh,
with
it's
the
so good.
apples
It's
and
great
the
for the
celery.
summer.
Yeah, definitely.
And as you said, not that expensive.
Yes, very, very inexpensive. Canned tuna is a great option for seafood, like you mentioned price before as well. Sometimes that can be a benefit or a barrier, but for this, canned tuna, canned fish, very inexpensive, very tasty.
Okay, and this one has really whet my appetite. What is this one?
This is lemon shrimp stir fry. It's zesty, it's spicy, and I love the crunch of the fresh grilled vegetables. It's great, and I think sometimes we forget about shrimp. Very tasty, very healthy, great seafood option.
Shrimp is a winner in my house. And
Louisiana
Oklahoma, yeah,
catfish.
I was gonna say
Oklahoma
Oklahoma favorite.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not only do we have catfish, but we have okra and corn as well, and it's all baked. It's very, very tasty, quick. I feel like a lot of times with catfish, we always think fried catfish, but not so healthy. So focusing on healthy preparation methods, things like baking, grilling, and other options like that.
Where can we get these great recipes?
So if you'd like to access all of our recipes and our other great nutrition resources, we have things like this recipe booklet. We also have our nutrition calendar, all at onieproject.org. And if you're looking for the recipes, /recipes.
Well, for more information, as you heard from the ONIE Project, you just go to onieproject.org. Also social media at ONIE Project. Also Seafood Nutrition Partnership, where are they? They are 201 North Broadway, Suite 100 and more. The website is seafoodnutrition.org. On Facebook, it's SNP-OKC. At Twitter, it's @Seafood4Health.